Hi, and welcome to the monthly video for January 2022. In Vizlib Finance, it is now possible to control the alignment of headers both horizontally and vertically, also when they're wrapped. Null can be represented by something else, including just making the cell completely empty. The flexibility of alternative dimensions is great, but since it can also become confusing, we added the option to return to default state. This brings the user back to how the finance report was set up before alternative dimensions were changed. In Qlik Sense, there are a number of challenges that are related to how we can create good writeback solutions. When Qlik has section access in an application, any selections made by the users will be released as the application is updated. For all frequently updated applications, not just Writeback, this can be rather frustrating. Reloading of large applications is slow. This relates both to the actual loading of data, but can also be the time it takes to save the application. Calculations in larger applications are slower compared to an app with only the data the user has access to. And finally, for Writeback only, when applications are updated by many users, it cannot be done at the same time, since only one refresh of the data can be active at the time. The solution to these limitations is a feature we call Loop and Reduce. Instead of keeping all the data in the same app, we can start from a source application and split it into several smaller applications. With dynamic tags and file names plus a smart wizard for security rules, it is extremely flexible, but still requires no more maintenance than a single application. Each application can then be updated with the new data independently from the others, which means more frequent updates are not only possible, but also faster. Any design changes or fixes in the main application are easily pushed to reduced applications, which keeps everything in sync.
Vizlib Gantt allows you to export from the right-click menu in multiple ways, from image, PDF, full PDF, Excel, CSV and TSV. For PDF exports, there's two ways of doing it. There is a predefined letter size, which is this example here, where I select the paper size I want, orientation and the aspect ratio. The PDF downloaded is an A3 landscape orientated Vizlib Gantt. For customers with large Gantt, normal letter size PDFs won't cut it, and this is where the custom export PDF comes in. We export the Gantt full size on the custom PDF, which you can use to present all of your data points on. New forecasting is using the ARIMA SARMIA algorithm. The new algorithm supports both seasonal forecasting for multiple measures or dimensions and accumulated data series forecasting. Developers can select one of three forecasting methods according to the data. Developers can control any parameter of the forecasting, such as the number of points to forecast, ARIMA method, or the mathematical parameter of the algorithm. Forecasting isn't a black box anymore, and according to the user's experience level, they can optimize the results. The new forecasting allows users to control the forecasting on individual measure levels, selecting which measures to forecast and controlling the forecast line design. The new forecast algorithm also supports accumulated data series. And finally, end users can control the forecasting parameters and see the immediate impact of the changes.
Thanks for listening, and don't forget to follow us on social media.